gentleman brought in a chain where the tubes were worn through. Okay, that pin went in right in here and swiveled like that. Okay, but it wore right through. Okay, so we need to replace that tube. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut that tube off, cut the old tube off. One side. There's the other side. It's very hot. That tube had a thickness, so I need to cut the rest away out of here. And the new tube is going to have to fit in that little channel. Put it all the way except for just a little bit, so I know where to position the next tube I put in. Okay. Clean it out a little bit more. It trims nicely because it's 18 karat gold. Very nice. Okay, then I have another tool right here that's going to fit perfectly in that groove. Clean it out. I need to solder it or weld it. Okay, I have a laser welder, so I'm going to weld it right here. I have to go back and laser weld this to shut the seam. Okay, that's a seam. Alright, but I'm not going to do it that way because then I'd have to close the seam and you'd be able to see it. So now I'm going to turn the seam down, laser weld it on the side here, right in through here. Okay, all on one side. Bend this piece up. Okay, this is the big link coming in. Here's the pin. The pin's going to go right into this tube. So I'll bring this link in. Then I'm going to bend this back around. Alright, and then from the other side, laser weld again. Okay, just like I did on this side, I'd laser weld all the way on the other side. And to take this tube and put a nice cut in it. Like that. Okay, I've cut it a little bit already. Measure this tube here, describe a line where I think it needs to be. Pretty good. Right where I spread it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I have my cut tube in here and laser welded in place. I can laser weld it now that that's open on the inside. Now I can hook that right on there. Okay. Then I'll fold that down and laser weld it. See how this other one wobbles? This one's good and stiff. Need to laser weld it on that side now. And add more 18 karat. Smooth it off nice. Add a little bit to this side. Clean it up a little bit. Give it some definition in here. Give that square link a squared off look. And it's ready for polish. All we got to do is 40 more of those, 42 more. Okay? Thanks for watching.